Hi friends, so today I'm going to do a special video. So usually I used to do the classes till it gets dry. So after that I will show you the image. So bye guys, thank you, bye bye. Guys, finally after preparing and keeping it in the sun, you just prick it with the safety pin. Hi friends, so today I'm going to do a special video. So usually I used to do the classes, but today I'm going to do the mobile stand, how to prepare naturally the mobile stand. So let us see guys. First of all, those who are subscribers for my channel, thank you for encouraging me and supporting me. But those who are viewers and those who are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and support me. So let us see which are the materials required for preparing this mobile stand. First of all, we want a selfie stick. So this is a selfie stick. So to make more strong this selfie stick, see it is shaking, but to make more strong I am taking one iron rod. So I will insert this iron rod inside this selfie stick. So this is a waste selfie stick guys. So this is being repaired, so I am using this selfie stick. Don't use it new one, okay? So I am inserting this iron rod inside this selfie stick, okay? So I am inserting this iron rod inside this, okay? So and I am using a sand, okay? So this is karani in Telugu. So I am using, so usually mentions use this, so I am using sand. You can take sand or else robo sand. See, this is a robo sand, okay? And I am using the cup of cement. This is a big cup guys. So to mix with this cement I am using this, and I am using this bottle, okay? This bottle is used for holding this selfie stick, okay? So this bottle I am using, and to mix the cement I am using the mug of water, okay? So let us mix the cement now. Everyone look after how I am cement. So friends, after we have to mix this cement with this robo sand. So let me mix, pour all the cement, okay? Pour all the cement inside this robo sand and mix this robo sand properly, okay? Mix this robo sand properly. So mix the cement properly. After mixing, use the water. So pour the water properly and mix well. Pour little by little and mix properly guys. The consistency should be very nice, okay? So guys, by pouring the water with the cement and the robo sand, I have mixed well with cement. So see, the consistency should be like this. See, the consistency should be like this. It should be like this, okay? So after this, we have to take this bottle, okay? And we have to keep this inside, okay? We have to keep this inside, and we have to put this cement, and we have to fill this gaps, okay? We have to keep it center, and we have to put the cement inside, and we have to fill this bottle with this concrete, okay? So friends, by taking someone's help, you fill this bottle with this cement, okay? So by taking someone's help you have to fill, because it has to be placed at the center, okay? So guys, meanwhile take some stick or knife, or because we have to fill this cement properly, okay? So you do like this, you leave it. So do like this, okay? Because the product will be very perfect if you do like this, okay? So guys, press properly with the help of this kind of knife or stick, so that the product will become very perfect. but remember guys, the selfie stick should be at the center. So friends, finally the product is over. So, and I can say the another use of some waste material guys. So if you have any broken this mobile stand like this, so you can use it for this purpose also. So this is the T-shaped pipe guys. This is used for drip irrigation. So you just insert this here. Okay, if you just insert this inside this and you just keep it here, let it dry, so that you can use here one mobile and here one mobile. So till it dries, it is shaking guys. So till that we have to wait. So place this product in the sunny till it gets dry. So after that I will show you the image. So bye guys, thank you, bye bye.
Bye guys.
Guys, finally after preparing and keeping it in the sun, you just prick it with the safety pin so that the excess of water will be coming out. See, like this. So excess of water will be coming out. You prick it with safety pin. See friends, I have prepared that mobile stand. So how to use that I am going to show now. So just place one stool, and upon that you place some vessels. So on that you place this mobile stand which we have prepared, and you can use that for shooting this videos. Okay. So we can use that for shooting the videos. See guys, very nice. It is very nice, and it is also not shaking, and you can take the videos. See. So guys, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye guys, bye bye. So see, finally I am showing, this is my natural mobile stand.